Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start in OBS and head straight to File, Settings, then Output. Once there, choose the Recording tab so you can change the file type. This is where OBS determines format, encoder, and path. If Output mode is set to Advanced, make sure you pick the Recording sub-tab. You should verify the current recording path and note the existing format so you can revert if needed. Now, with the recording options visible, prepare to choose a different container and encoder to suit your needs. Now you pick the container, such as MKV, MP4, MOV, or FLV. MKV protects against corruption, while MP4 is widely compatible. Once done, select an encoder, Software X264 or a hardware option like NVENC, QuickSync, or AMF for lower CPU usage. Make sure to set bitrate and recording quality. Higher bitrate means larger files but better fidelity. Also assign audio tracks if you need separate channels. After adjusting these values, double-check that the recording path is writable and that you have enough disk space. Finish by clicking Apply and OK, then perform a short test recording to confirm the new file type works. Play back the clip to verify audio and video sync. If you chose MP4, consider recording to MKV then remuxing to MP4 inside OBS to avoid corruption on crashes. If recordings fail, check folder permissions, confirm there is adequate disk space, and update GPU encoder drivers or OBS itself. If issues persist, switch container or encoder and run another test until the output is reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.